How to replace your ear pads. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore how to replace the ear pads on your headphones. Whether you're a music enthusiast or an English language learner, understanding this practical skill can enhance your listening experience. Let's dive into the simple steps to make your headphones feel brand new again. Ear pads, also known as ear cushions, are the soft parts of headphones that rest on your ears. They're essential for comfort and sound quality. Over time, ear pads may wear out, get dirty, or lose their shape, which can affect your headphones' performance. Replacing them is an easy way to extend the life of your headphones. It's important to know when it's time to replace your ear pads. Look out for signs like visible wear and tear, reduced comfort, and decreased sound quality. If your ear pads start to flake, peel, or simply don't feel as comfortable as they used to, it's probably time for a change. Before you buy new ear pads, ensure they're compatible with your headphones. Check the brand, model, and size. There are different materials to consider, such as leather, velour, or foam, each affecting comfort and sound differently. Decide what's most important to you and choose accordingly. 1. Remove the old ear pads. Gently pull the ear pads away from the headphones. Some may be clipped on, while others might be glued. Be careful not to damage the headphones. 2. Clean the area. Once the old pads are off, clean the surface around the ear cups to ensure the new pads adhere properly. 3. Attach the new ear pads. Align the new ear pads with the headphone cups and press them into place. Make sure they're securely attached all around. 4. Test the headphones. Finally, listen to some music to ensure the ear pads are correctly installed and comfortable. Congratulations! You've just learned how to replace the ear pads on your headphones. This simple task can significantly improve your headphones' comfort and sound quality, making your music or language learning sessions more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy listening!